Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Power Apps. So let's start. Before we start, we need PowerShell, admin access, and Windows operating system and details of the environment. So first step is, let's say I'm going to delete this app. App is deleted successfully. Next, first step to recover is copy this full command, open PowerShell open PowerShell and run this command. Paste anyway. Let's wait for this to finish. Okay, press one more time enter. And second step is log into the Power App environment. Run this command. Press enter. It will open a pop-up. Log into your account um, with admin access. So I'll just select mine. Third step is getting a list of all the apps deleted. So let me open a notepad. Okay, so this is the command. Here we need to change the environment GUID. So I'll just delete this, go back to Power App home page, and in the URL just after environment forward slash, I will copy this. This is the GUID. So paste it here, copy the full command, run in the PowerShell. Third step. So it will list all the apps deleted. So this one, app for testing. This is the one which I just deleted. I'll just copy the name of the app. App name is this. I will come back here. App name is this one. Step 4 is recovering the deleted app. This is the command. Let me go back, get the uh, environment GUID. So first environment GUID we need to add here. This is the environment GUID. Second, app name here. Two things I need to update and then copy the full command, press paste and enter. Okay, so you see code is 200, description okay, this means app is recovered, restored successfully. So let's go back to the home page, refresh, and you can see our app is restored. It has added something underscore restored and year, month, date, and timestamp. So that was the process. Test it, and if you have any question, just let me know in the description. Thank you.